In this video, I'll show you how to build your first app with Lovable. First, open your web browser and go to the Lovable website. Sign into your account, or create a new account if you don't already have one. Next, start a new project by clicking the option to create a new app. You will see a prompt box where you can describe the app you want to build. Write a clear description of your idea, including the purpose of the app, the main features, the type of users, and the design style you want. Now, enter your prompt and click the Generate button. Lovable will analyze your instructions and create the first version of your application, including the user interface, pages, and basic functionality. After that, review the generated app preview. Test the different pages and features to see how everything works. If you want to make changes, use the chat area to describe what you want to update, such as adding new features, changing the design, improving the layout, or modifying specific components. Next, refine your app by asking Lovable to add features like user authentication, databases, forms, dashboards, payments, or integrations. Continue improving the project until it matches your idea. Finally, when your app is ready, preview it, connect any required services, and publish or export your project. You can continue editing your application anytime by returning to your Lovable workspace. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to build your first app with Lovable. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.